Get a feel for the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. Introducing the Ford F-150 Lightning, a game changer in the world of electric trucks. Combining the rugged durability and capability that Ford is known for with an innovative all-electric powertrain, the F-150 Lightning delivers powerful performance and impressive range. Its advanced technology, spacious interior, and sleek design ensure a superior driving experience. Drive into the future with the Ford F-150 Lightning, where power meets sustainability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, premium sound system, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power passenger seat, cooled front seat. Embrace the next generation of driving and treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.